There are two easy ways to type on your keypad. One way is by using the number keys and the select area. The select area is divided into 4 sections. Each number represents letters in the alphabet that are shown next to the number. For example, 1 has A, B, C. A will correspond with the first area, B will be the second area, and C will be the third area. On the keypad, the username, Aaron, is being typed on the keypad. Another way to type is by accessing the QWERTY keyboard on the keypad by tapping on ABC in the top left corner. The username, Dan, is being typed on the keypad. You will also notice that ABC turns into a lowercase ABC to switch between uppercase and lowercase. This is helpful when needing to use lowercase letters for entering a password for Wi-Fi setup. Below the ABC is the option to switch to symbols. And to the right of the select area is 1, 2, 3 to bring you back to the number keys.